Okay, so this is the space that it's going to be covered. We already did the carpet, and I'll show more video of that in a little bit. But this is before the installation. The floor is raw and disgusting, but it's going to look really nice when this is done. Okay, so now we're at the point where we're bringing it close to the wall, where we're going to have to cut some pieces to fit. And this is super easy. You take a piece, put it upside down, push it up tight against the wall, right there. You make a mark. And you go to the other side. And you would do the same thing here. Just grab a straight line. Use the utility knife. Cuts real easy. We're gonna run it down this line in one shot. Back. And make it fit. Perfect. And light up against the wall. Super easy. So here it is. It's all finished. These are the carpet tiles, and you can see that they just interlock with each other. Once they're down, they look fantastic. We're coming here, and this is the rubberized floor. And the great thing is that they'll just butt right up against the carpet. They're the same height, so I didn't have to worry about making a transition with those. Here's the entire floor. We mixed the yellow into the play structure. You can see how they interlock. They just blend together. And the yellow floor goes throughout the play structure and into the open play area. The whole floor is coated with this flooring. It looks fantastic. It was super easy to install. It was easy to get cut around the edges. And that's the whole floor.